About to leave the Best Western here, and I got down into the hotel bathroom because it is gonna be like over 90 degrees today. So I am losing my sleeves. All right, we got the sleeves all cut off. It's gonna be a hot one today. The only bad part about riding motorcycles, you can get some pretty nasty tan lines when you're riding. So today we're gonna try to level them out. Now I'm trashing up an absolutely beautiful hotel. I mean, look at this place. Beautiful marble everywhere, gorgeous lobby. This Best Western is downtown Syracuse, and it's absolutely beautiful. Bunch of historic pictures everywhere. And then you got me trashing it up with no sleeves. Oh well. All right, everybody's loading up, getting ready to take off. It's Best Western straight downtown Syracuse. And it's actually really beautiful down here. I think they said there was something like 40 restaurants within walking distance of this place. And one of the saddest parts of the convoy altogether, we got to say goodbye to friends. Yeah. Charles, thank you so much for riding with us, dude. You've been a rock star. How many days you do with us?
I did 13 days, whatever day today is. I don't know. We're in Syracuse, New York.
It's been awesome, man. Give me a little pound it. Thank you so much, man. Rock and roll, ride safe, go enjoy your family.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
We'll see you down the road, my friend. Well, I think this town is called Sodus, New York. We're right here in the water. They got this lighthouse out here we stopped to check out. Sodus Point, I'm being told. It's pretty beautiful. The weather couldn't be any better. There's just boats absolutely everywhere. And then we got a bunch of bikers. Temperature has reached 87 degrees to this point. It's getting warmer. We got about another 10 degrees we're gonna climb yet before the day's up. Yeah, maybe a Thursday afternoon, but there's plenty of people enjoying the beach out here. All right, we are getting ready to leave the Best Western Hotel here. We've got a little over 4 hours ride time, but with gas stops, it's probably gonna be closer to 6 hours out there on the road. And the heat is gonna be a real thing for us today. We're gonna be battling some pretty high temperature. But with any luck, we will get through it safely. Everybody will be okay. I, for one, have suffered from heat stroke, and it really does affect me in the hot weather. And I know that's for anybody, that once you've had heat stroke, you're more susceptible to the heat. But regardless of what the temperature or the weather does, every single day we're rolling to Harley Davidson dealerships, raising money for the Wounded Warrior Project. And at each stop, we're giving away Legend suspension to one person who shows up. And it's an opportunity for you to enter to win a brand new 2026 Harley Davidson Road Glide, the Liberty Edition. The only way to enter to win that bike is by showing up at one of the dealers while we're there and scanning the QR code. So these are probably the best odds you could ever have in your life to win a free motorcycle. Stops are a real thing here on the convoy. We're gonna have about 4 of them today. And this is what happens at gas stations when we show up. We just swarm them like bees. Gas stop number 2, and we got a guy joined us all the way from Canada. Oscar, where you come from?
I come from a small place close to Toronto. It's called Oshawa. I met you in Milwaukee in 2023, so I'm like, you know what? I just turned 50 last Monday.
Hell yeah.
And I'm here now celebrating.
Well, happy birthday, man. Your bike looks great, by the way.
Thank
and
you.
It looks like you got an Instagram page there?
Yes, sir. Tiburon.hd.
Go check them out, man. I love Simpson, dude.
Thank you, bro.
Been rocking them for the last couple years. They're great. Thanks for joining us. And just like that, we have arrived at the dealership. And it is indeed a hot one out there. We are at Hale's Harley Davidson in the showroom, getting ready to raise some money for the Wounded Warrior Project. And right in front of us, this is the brand new 2026 Liberty Edition. This is the bike Harley Davidson put out for America's birthday. And we're gonna be giving this girl away in less than 10 days. Maybe one of these people you're looking at right here. Dave and Cindy in from Ohio rode in with us today, man. Thanks for sharing the road with me. And we shared a little lunch at the stop as well, even though it was rushed.
Yeah, it was real rushed.
Yeah, man.
Still, yeah.
It's not the most rushed we've ever. Sometimes we don't even get to eat at all. We just have to take it and run. So it worked out okay. But thank you for riding in with us today. You're riding a
22 Road Glide.
And
26 Honda.
And it rips, man. You did great today. Thank you so much. Man, I tell you, Hales has done a really good job promoting this. It's been 10 years since I've been to this dealership, and they have got people lined up way back there to raise money for the Wounded Warrior Project. Thanks for being part of this with us today. So here's something very interesting. We got Brittany and John and Lee, and they're from the dealership here at Hales, and this is at almost 10 years to the day from the last time I was at your store. That is too awesome. And you guys actually went online and shared a bunch of pictures from the last time I was here with Scooter. Of course, we missed Scooter, but you shared a bunch of pictures across your social media. And man, you had a great turnout here today. Thank you so much for putting in the work and getting the word out there. We're going to raise a lot of money here today, and I know that's for a real good cause.
For all the riding you're doing, Wounded Warrior.
You can't thank me for riding, baby. That's what we do, right? Life's short, buy the damn motorcycle. Get off the couch and ride. You make some good friends if you do. So Brian just showed up with his lovely wife, Trish, and you are with Wounded Warrior Project?
I am. I'm a volunteer for the Columbus, Ohio Peer Support Group. Wounded Warrior has helped me out tremendously. Started off a long time ago, did a soldier ride. Didn't know much about Wounded Warrior at that point, and it reminded me of something even earlier that got brought up. Was when I got injured in 2004. I got this backpack from them.
Yeah.
I was at Walter Reed Hospital, and it was just a little bit of supplies, something that, hey, there's an organization that's thinking about you, that is there for you. Fast forward, many years later, got involved with them, and here I am today. Been a volunteer for about a decade now, helping other warriors out there, helping support their recovery.
Awesome, man.
Yes.
Well, thank you. I'm glad you're here helping and giving back. That makes a difference, and you're lucky to have a beautiful woman to support you in that.
Thank
yes, you
you.
are. And he even gave me a flag signed. Who else signed this?
A whole bunch of people here.
From the event?
From the event.
That's too cool. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So we had some people, thank you for that. We had some people ask to hear the turbo on the bike, so we got it parked right back here. We're gonna run up there and turn it on for them. And how you doing?
I'm doing good.
All right. So we got one ahead of us over here checking it out first. How's it going, man?
Good, you?
Good. Just gonna fire up this turbo for them. Let them hear it.
Yeah.
There it is, neutral. Got a good whistle to it, man. Sounds good, don't it? Jay, did you see how much we just raised here at Hales?
It's a good one.
Over $7,000. So now we're gonna do a little announcement and tell the people, and then draw our legend suspension, and then we're gonna hit the road to our Best Western. How far away to our hotel?
28 minutes.
My road captain, Jay. 28 minutes or less. We tend to run a little fast. Legend suspension, giving us a set of suspension for every single dealership stop this year. That's over $37,000 in suspension. 151916. If you're still in the challenge, come up here. You got that 6? All right, come up here. There should definitely be at least 2 others, unless they left. No? Is your last number a 3?
Yes.
Absolutely. Just like that, another rider just got a little bit more comfortable on the road. Thank you.
All right, thank
Enjoy. Okay, now one more hour on the road back to the hotel, and we get to call it a night for this portion. Then we go to work on making all the videos and the content and getting everything ready so you can watch it like you are right now.